If Fj is the Fourier transform of Ft, then A Ft Fj, B Ft Fj, C Ft Fj, D Ft Fj. The correct answer is Ft Fj. An impulse train is A number of pulses, B a number of pulses spaced from each other, C a number of pulses all originating together, D none of the above. The correct answer is a number of pulses spaced from each other. For formation of state equations, the inductors and current sources A should be in tree, B should be in quadtree, C may be in tree or quadtree, D should be in both tree and quadtree. The correct answer is should be in quadtree. If Ft1 floor J, A2P, BP, C2PP, DP. The correct answer is 2PP. The power in the signal ST8 cos 20 pp 4 sin 15 pt is A40, B41, C42, D82. The correct answer is 40. If Ft Fj Ft, A Fj, B Fj, C Fj, D 0.5 Fj. The correct answer is Fj. The minor m each of an nxn matrix is the determinant of n1xn1 matrix formed by deleting the ith row and j the column of nxn matrix. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The peak factor is A RMS value peak value, B RMS value average value, C peak value RMS value, D peak to peak value RMS value. The correct answer is peak value RMS value. If xk ak and k0 xz1 az11 with az, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. The function tb is A step function originating at tb, B an impulse function originating at tb, C a unit doublet originating at tb, D none of the above. The correct answer is a unit doublet originating at tb. The Z inverse of the given Z transform is A unit step, B unit ramp, C unit impulse, D unit parabola. The correct answer is unit impulse. To plot frequency spectrum, we draw two graphs with Fn versus frequency and n versus frequency. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. If Ft is an even function, the coefficients Fn in the exponential form of Fourier series A are real, B are imaginary, C are complex, D may be real or imaginary. The correct answer is are real. In Laplace transforms Sj, which of the following represents true nature of S? Select your answer using the given codes A1, 2 and 3, B1 and 2, C2 and 3, D1 and 3. The correct answer is 1 and 2. The theoretical power of white noise is A0, B finite, C depend upon frequency of signal, D infinite. The correct answer is depend upon frequency of signal. If the value of A cannot be determined, B0, C1, D. The correct answer is cannot be determined. The area of an impulse is A1, B0, C, D any finite value. The correct answer is 1. E3T is A energy signal, B power signal, C both A and B, D none. The correct answer is none. Choose the correct option. A var x x2, B 2 x2 2, C var C x C2 var x. D all. The correct answer is all. For matrix A1 A1, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The following table gives some time functions and the Laplace transforms of these correctly matched pairs are A2 and 4, B1 and 4, C3 and 4, D1 and 2. The correct answer is 2 and 4. If xk2k for k0 and 0 for k0 xz2 2z, A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In plotting line spectrum, A graph of complex number fn versus frequency is plotted. B a graph of fn versus frequency is plotted. C a graph of the angle of fn versus frequency is plotted. D two graphs with fn versus frequency and the phase angle of fn versus frequency are plotted. The correct answer is two graphs with fn versus frequency and the phase angle of fn versus frequency are plotted. If feet fj, afj, bfjn, cjnfj, d. The correct answer is jnfj. The energy of highest value of autocorrelation of a function 100 cos 50 pt is A50, B10, C200, D0. The correct answer is 10. If U is input, Y is output and A, B are constants, the system Y or B. A is linear, B is nonlinear. C may be linear or nonlinear depending on values of A and B. D may be linear or nonlinear depending on value of U. The correct answer is nonlinear. In RLC circuits, the state variables generally selected are A voltages across capacitors, B currents through resistances and voltages across capacitors, C currents through resistances and capacitance, D currents through inductance and voltages across capacitance. The correct answer is currents through inductance and voltages across capacitance. Autocorrelation function. A is an even function of t. B is an odd function of t. C may be an even or odd function of t. D is both an odd and even function of t. The correct answer is an even function of t. In an oscillator, a sine wave generator starts at t0. It consists of A pure sine wave, B pure cosine wave, C unity for t0, D to t1. The correct answer is pure sine wave. For a periodic waveform, the power, spectral density and correlation function form A Laplace transform pair, B a Fourier transform pair, C either A or B, D neither A nor B. The correct answer is a Fourier transform pair. What about causality of the system transfer function of a discrete time system? A uncasual, B casual, C casual and some specific point, D both B and C. The correct answer is casual. Consider the following statements. A1 only, B1 and 3 only, C1 3 and 4 only, D1 and 4 only. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. SI A1 is equal to A adjective psi A det psi A, B det psi A adjective psi A, C adjective psi A det psi A, D none of the above. The correct answer is adjective psi A det psi A. For a Gaussian process, autocorrelation sequence also implies that A statistical independence, B statistical dependence, C ergodic process, D all. The correct answer is statistical dependence. Which one of the following is correct? Energy of a power signal is A finite, B zero, C infinite, D between 1 and 2. The correct answer is infinite.